Assalamu alaikum students. Now we perform a simple activity about neutralization reaction. For that I will see activity. Take a test tube, clean it using a clean dropper, pour 10 drops of HCl hydrochloric acid carefully in the test tube. Now add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator solution. Observe the color changes. Now add sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop to the test tube. Shake it well after adding each drop. Observe the change in the color of the solution. Keep adding the sodium hydroxide drop by drop until the color begins to turn pink. Once again add drop by drop of hydrochloric acid to the solution mixture until the solution in the test tube becomes colorless. In this activity, we observe that there is no change in the color of hydrochloric acid while adding phenolphthalein solution. The color of the solution in the test tube becomes pink by adding a drop of sodium hydroxide solution. The pink color of the mixture solution becomes colorless by adding a few drops of hydrochloric acid. Finally, we learned that if we add excess base, that is sodium hydroxide, to acidic solution, hydrochloric acid, it converts to base. Similarly, we can change base into acid. We also learned that the effect of base is nullified by an acid. When acids and bases are mixed in definite proportions, they give a neutral solution. The reaction of an acid with a base produces salt and water. Salts. We have seen in the process of neutralization, both acids and bases are mixed in definite proportions, produces salt and water. We also know that the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. For example, by neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with sodium hydroxide caustic soda solution, a salt, sodium chloride, is produced. Production of salt depends on the type of acid and base. Note, all neutral solutions are not salt solutions. Sugar or starch solutions are neutral solutions, but they are not salt solutions. Now we see fertile land, organic manures. In recent years, the use of chemical fertilizers increased. Though the use of chemical fertilizers increases production, it affects the nature of the soil. Some fertilizers increase the acidity of the soil and some its basicity. Thus, the use of natural organic manure is preferred in these days. Types of salts. Salts which change blue litmus to red are acidic salts, and salts which change red litmus to blue are basic salts. Some salts affect neither blue nor red litmus. These are called as neutral salts. The following table gives information about the acidic, basic and neutral salts. These are acids, bases and salts they have given here. We continue in our live class. So Allah Hafiz.